In data view of latest Power BI desktop version, do you still face the issue to reorder the new created column? Like the example, in Query Editor, the new product column was reordered in the position behind the column country. After applying the query in data view, the product column is still kept to the end of the right-hand side. If you have to make such order in data view, I found a fixed way. Open the query editor by clicking transform data under table 2. In left side, right click financials table, pick out enable load. Press continue, close and apply. Then once again, reopen the query editor, right click financials table, but enable the load this time. Close and apply. In data view, we see that the product column is at the expected position of country.